Good morning, my dear student. This is Miss Hadir. Today we are going to start with Unit 9 Verbs. The name of our lesson is Helping Verbs can and could. Let's start. Let's start with the main verb. What the meaning of a main verb? A main verb tells what the subject of the sentence does. When I have a sentence, should I should have a subject and a verb, and um, this verb or this main verb tells me what the subject of the sentence does. A helping verb helps another verb show an action. Can and could are helping verbs. We can learn about earthworm. He could not find any in his garden. What does that mean? Let's see. What is the meaning of can? Can means to be able. Can it means to be able or permitted to do something. It determines the ability or capability of someone or something. Can used to refer to your ability to do something. Okay? And could is the past of can, which means it refers to the past ability of someone or something. It's also used when someone is permitted to do something. Could is the past of can, which means it refers to the ability to do something in the past. So I have can, the ability to do something in the present, and I have could, the ability to do something in the past. Number one, the usage of can and could. Number one, ability. Can is used to express that someone is able to do something. This is the ability in the present. And I use could to express that someone is able to do something in the past. So I use can to express the ability of someone in the present, and I use could to express the ability of someone in the past. Let's see the example. Matthew can speak 5 languages. This is his ability in the present now. But in the past, Matthew could speak 5 languages when he was still studying. This is something happened in the past. So I have ability now in our time, and I have ability we did it before. So I use can to express the ability in the present, and I use could to speak or to express the ability in the past. Another example, I can cook Italian pasta. This is now in our time. But in the past, when I use this sentence in the past, I have to use can? No. We have to use could. I could cook Italian pasta last month. The second use of can and could, possibility. Possibility, can, is used to express that something is possible, something that it is possible, maybe happen in the present. Could is used to express that something is possible in the past. Something is possible in the past. Let's say an example. Crimes can be prevented. This is in the present. But when I put this sentence in the past, can I use can? No, I have to use could. A lot of crime could be prevented. The third use of can and could, permission. Permission. Can is used to ask or give permission for something in the present, but could is used to ask or give permission in a more formal or polite way. This is the difference between them. Can is used to ask or give permission for something, but could, I use could for what? Is used to ask or give permission. This is clear. I'm used could to ask and give permission in a more formal or polite way. What does that mean? Let's see. Can I have your phone number? This is ask. I ask you to give me something. Look at could I please have your phone number? This is the polite way. We have here a difference between the two ways. Can I ask you to do something? But could I ask you with a polite way? Look at another example. Can I use your computer? This is ask. This is a question. I'm asking you something. But could I please your computer? This is a polite way. Okay, let's go to the form. I have affirmative. I, you, he, she, it. By the way, can and could take all the personal pronoun. And I put the verb in the infinitive. Now we are going to go to the negative of can and can't. We are going to put the subject, then put can't like this or cannot like this, and put my verb in the infinitive. Look at the example. I can't speak Russian, or I cannot speak Russian. He can't play tennis, or he cannot play tennis. We uses of can't don't have the ability. Uses of can't we have two. Number one, don't have the ability. I use can't to express I don't have the ability to do something, like I can't swim. Number two, I can use can't to don't have permission. When someone asks me to give him something and I say, no, you can't use my pen. Look at the example. You can't use my pen. He is going to take your permission and you say no. Okay? Look at the example. I can speak English. How can I make a negative from this sentence? I can't speak Japanese or I can't speak English. She can drive a car. How can I make a negative? She can't drive a bus. He can speak Arabic. This is affirmative. But look at the negative. He can't speak German. Can for the affirmative and I put negative after can. Cannot or can't for a negative and I put my verb in the infinitive. Now we are going to go to the question. How can I make a question from can? Look at the sentence, affirmative. You can speak Spanish. How can I make a question from this sentence? I'm going to make a cross, scissor. Look at you and can. I'm going to change their places to be, can you speak Spanish? I'm going to answering it by yes, I can, or no, I can't. Look at another example. She can ride a bike. How can I make a question from this? Look at she and can. I'm going to change their places to make a scissor. To start with can in a capital letter, don't forget. Can she ride a bike? Yes, she can. No, she can't. Thank you so much, my dear students. I hope you understand our lesson. See you next time. Goodbye.